Hey everyone, happy return to Shib. The CEO of Google attests to Shiba Inu burn. Prepare yourself to never work again. Monday at South by Southwest Shib news came only hours after the failure of Silicon Valley Bank threatened the viability of most tech businesses. There was a Zen escape for hundreds of festival goers, a virtual landscape featuring wind-swaying forests of bamboo and cherry trees, and an iconic Wagmi temple dedicated to the Japanese hunting dog breed, Shiba Inu, a reference to the cryptocurrency slogan "We're all going to make it." It provided a break from collapsing financial ecosystems and the first glimpse into the metaverse being constructed by Shiba Inu Bitcoin creators. We will discuss Google's CEO confirming Shiba Inu burn in this video. Prepare yourself to never work again. Shiba reports. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right away. Decentralized cryptocurrency is unavoidable in bank runs like the one that occurred last Friday. The enigmatic chief developer of Shiba Inu, Shoshir Kusama, only goes by his alias and an avatar that is an image of a person wearing a long cloak and hood. He turns off his video camera and uses Google Meet to inform Fast Company. He refuses to talk out and instead types into a chatbot. Bank's fractional reserves, he remarks. That 5% global adoption number rises as more people become aware of this and choose to diversify, at which point some ask, "What's this SHIB thing?" And they discover just how amazing we are. Not that some folks aren't aware of this already. Though Web3 advocates remain a specialized segment of the Twitter population, SHIB may have the greatest cult-like following among cryptodeans. The token was invented as a joke 2.5 years ago with the intention of raising a Dogecoin killer in order to surpass the competing meme-based token, Dogecoin. Its devoted supporters, referred to as the Army, were extremely serious. With nothing more than a social media uprising, they collectively propelled Shiba Inu into a $44 billion market valuation, placing it in the top 10 cryptocurrencies at one point. Its universe has grown since the introduction of 10,000 Shoshir NFTs, pixelated Shiba creatures with various accessories like a pizza slice hanging from the dog's mouth or a pirate helmet. Shibaswap is a decentralized exchange platform. Crypto influencer Elon Musk and Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin also gave Shiba Inu shout-outs. Next, a collaboration with the Canadian luggage company Bugatti. Moreover, what started out as sly trolling by the meme community has amassed 3.6 million followers on cryptocurrency Twitter. These users are among the loudest on the network and are quick to jump on breaking news, using hashtags like #ShipArmyStrong and #AshHailShip to promise to launch Ship to the moon. It was the third most Googled cryptocurrency globally in 2022, with the launch of its Layer 2 blockchain, Sharom, and a series of new currencies last week in beta. It is now making its greatest leap to yet in anticipation of the launch of its flagship metaverse, Ship the Metaverse. Ship aims to make the metaverse more than simply a meme currency by opening its first virtual storefront for rock and roll apparel designer John Richmond. The strange folklore of Shiba Inus contributes to their appeal. Rashi, the company's creator, was likewise cloaked in mystery before abruptly disappearing from the internet this summer. Ironically, his Discord avatar in the shape of a cat is no longer available. He did not, however, disappear. Before Musk's tweets drove the token surging, but even after it had amassed 6,000 wallets, Rashi left behind a roadmap that Shoshir joined. After that, he has continued to follow. The financing of the ship are likewise unknown. Shoshir claims that while money from Shoshir NFT sales is used elsewhere, sales of metaverse land plots support the development of the metaverse. The leash and bone tokenomics and whether or not to retain a portion are still up for debate among the team members. They refuse to say if they receive a portion of the transaction fees collected by Shibaswap. Ship's biggest boast, despite not having raised venture financing, is its community, a term that appears frequently in blog entries, tweets, and magazine interviews. Fast Company is informed by Marcy Gastro, chief advisor for Ship Metaverse, that Ship Army input is being integrated into the Metaverse map. The group employed a company to build it with Unreal Engine software, but they lack a creative director. They start by creating concept art in black and white sketches, post the drafts to a blog, and monitor social media for feedback before repeatedly adjusting the color and rendering in 3 dimensions. The Wagmi Temple, the first of 11 zones under development, is a pristine fantasy land with grazing deer and outdoor yoga. Even in other metaverses, such as Decentraland, The Sandbox, or Yuga Labs' other side, the community is widespread. Usually viewed as rivalry, Gastro maintains that the pioneers need to unite in order to create the metaverse, a new and revolutionary realm. She compares it to the early days of virtual reality. Everyone's victory was what we desired. We merely needed the headset to function. It may come out as overly amiable, particularly during the hard times of the cryptocurrency winter when venture capital financing has dried up and survival seems more competitive than ever. However, Gastro is correct. Since every metaverse struggles to sell people on the idea of living in the Web 3, or even a 3D Web 2, what works for one may work for all. Though Mark Zuckerberg threw his company's reputation on the line with the Metaverse division posting a $13.3 billion loss in 2022, Meta is now more focused on artificial intelligence than the Metaverse. This is in contrast to Zuckerberg's fervent campaigning for Horizon Worlds. Despite being the clear leader in the field, Decentraland only has 8,000 active users every day. Furthermore, Grayscale's Decentraland ETF was trading at a 60-cent discount to the dollar at the end of last year. A number of metaverse coins have experienced an 80% decline. Shiba's market value is now $6 billion, with 589 trillion tokens in circulation and a price of 0.00000001. Should the token's value rise to $1 per token as originally predicted, this would imply an astounding implicit valuation of $589 trillion, a sum that would far surpass even the world's gross domestic product. Shiba Inu's most recent advancements keep making news. Due to its high return potential, Shiba Inus have become increasingly popular among investors. The community of Shiba Inu's owners and traders keeps growing as the breed's demand rises. Any prudent investor will understand, of course, that achieving such a price would require significant supply decreases. However, given its current low price and great potential benefits, many cryptocurrency aficionados are drawn to the possibility of making money by investing in this distinctive cryptocurrency powered by millennials. Shib, the token that drives Shiba, the second largest meme coin, surged 15% to trade at $0. As of the time of writing 0.0000000120. Early in March, the price of the Shib returned to a crucial descending trendline support, suggesting that the trend was about to shift north. Prior to the $0.00000001 corrective that followed the trend line, Shib had surged 96% to a new yearly high of $0.00000001,576 by early February. Shib had broken out in January. Even with the double-digit gain over the past day, investors need to ensure a few things before they can declare a new bull market. With a market capitalization of $6.6 billion, the second most popular meme coin is now selling at $0.0000000120. Shiba Inu's trading volume surged by 30% to $321 million in the last day, suggesting that investors are piling in more money in anticipation of a significantly larger price shift in the next several days. Nevertheless, price movement below $0.0000000126 is currently limited by the 100-day exponential moving average. To maintain the breakout from the declining trend line, Shib still needs to break above this crucial moving average. Important momentum indicators such as the moving average convergence-divergence indicate a determined bullish front despite the current obstacle. Following Silicon Valley Bank's fall, which also caused the rest of the market to collapse, the MACD flashed a buy signal on the daily timeframe chart for Shiba Inu. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD maintains the buy signal, but this time it is staying above the mean line. particularly during this week's rebound in anticipation of the Federal Reserve's potential interest rate hike decision on March 22, buyers are adamant about holding on to their hoarded profits. On the 4-hour chart, the price of Shiba Inu is above the 100-day EMA, which is at $0.0000000111. Recall that the daily chart's immediate resistance is the 100-day EMA. It might be confirmed that support is still in place and that the upward route offers the least amount of opposition by a daily closing above $0.0000000111. We're done for today. Remember to give the channel a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to see our most recent videos.